Good morning, boys and girls. Today is a very exciting day as we celebrate those of us who are on the front line of defending this country against the coronavirus. Many of your parents are doing this on a daily basis. We think of the doctors, the nurses, the security guards, the people that are working in the supermarkets. These are our heroes. But more than that, boys and girls, I want to point out that this week I have seen many heroes. I have seen little girls and boys working hard at home when they are in lockdown. And today I'm going to share a couple of videos with you that will show you some of these wonderful heroes that have emerged in the last 2 weeks.
Okay, hello.
Hi!
Again, I'm gonna do an interview on.
Is your hypothesis true?
Yes. Yes. You asked me to do 4 sentences, so that's what I did. Number 1. I see a black cat. Black is the adjective and noun. Cat is the noun. I'm going to show you a bit about my bird. First, you can open the lid up and you can put things inside it.
My first question was, what has been your favorite part about the lockdown? He said that he likes that the fact that no one can go out to make each other sick.
A verb is a doing verb.
Okay, and what?
A verb
Yeah.
is an adjective framed.
Okay, and give me an example of verbs.
Running, climbing, walking, cycling, jogging.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th.
Go.
This is my number book. One rabbit, 2 mice. She's got an open mouth and he hasn't.
Okay, that's right. That's a good difference.
And he's wearing clothes
Yes.
and he's not.
What does he look like?
He looks like a caterpillar in the sun.
And is he big or is he small?
He's small.
Is he small?
I made a sequence about the midnight star. Number 1, the stars came out. That was first. Number 2, the moon came out. That was second.
Okay, but let's see if they can roll.
Nope. And no.
Okay, and then what else can you see on there that's got with a b? B.
Bus,
Yes, what else?
bats,
Yes.
When all the cows are sleeping and the sun has gone to bed, up jumps the scarecrow, and this is what he says. I'm a dingle-dangle scarecrow with a flippy-floppy hat. I will shake my arms like this and shake my feet like that.
Make sure that you put a lot of effort into these to get the most out of this exercise. When you do a burpee, you go down, you keep your legs out into a push-up position, in and up as high as you can.
Thomas, carry on.
Did you look? What you have to do is you go like this, and if you jump up,
Same word, but it has a capital. The other one had a small letter. The. Remember, a tip and a h makes. Oopsie.
play. heroes, I have a card for you. I'm putting it in my post box. I hope it gets to you. Bye. This goes underwater to the bottom of the sea. It can dive down, but it's not like a human. It's not like a human. Grins at the animal what he can see. By golly, it's amazing. It's wonderfully me.
Where's the babe come?
Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Today we learned about gratitude, and it means we be grateful for stuff. Here we have I'm grateful for life, and also because life is a beautiful thing. The sun is shining, the birds are tweeting, the trees are growing, the plants, the rain, the clouds, our shelter under our heads, our friends out and our dogs, and our family.
Thank you for those words of wisdom, Alicia. It is hard to believe that you are only in grade R. Now you would have realized by now that when I talk about heroes during this Corona period, I actually put you up there with them. You are our heroes. And Mrs. Jones actually wanted to give you a very special message from her this morning to let you know how special you are.
Hello everyone at Blouberg campus. So nice to be able to speak to you while we're all in lockdown. And here I am, I've put on my special shirt for today when we're celebrating on our heroes, and I'm here with my cat Chester, who's not really interested, he's just sleeping through the whole lockdown. But Mr. West has been sending me lots of pictures of you working, doing exercises, praying when it's assembly. He sent me videos, and every time I get those, I am so proud of you. And I just want to say to you that actually you are my heroes as well, because this isn't easy for you. You're not seeing your friends, you're stuck in the house, you can't get takeaway pizza. So life isn't always easy, but you are pushing through, and I'm very, very, very proud. So enjoy today, keep working hard, keep washing your hands, and I hope to see you all soon.
Thank you, Mrs. Jones, for that beautiful message. I want to end off this video with a prayer. Thank you, Father God, for our children, for all our heroes. Look after us, Father God, during this time. And thank you for all you do for us. I pray that you would keep us safe and that we would all have a great, relaxing weekend. In Jesus' name, amen.